Yo, what's good, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy General315, man. Back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today, man, I got those Kobe 6 Prelude joints. I think these ones came out in 2011, if I'm not mistaken. They came out in 2011. It was like I think this was an all-star pack. It was one of like 8 shoes in the all-star pack, but I think it was in 2011. I'm almost positive. But anyway, very nice shoe, very dope. Definitely a shoe that I wanted to pick up myself because I just like the design. I love the design. I got these ones from Lisa over at Hot Sneaker. Make sure you guys go and check her out if you are into UAs. Just remember that this is a UA shoe. I don't condone the sale or resale of UAs, but this is an educational video. I'm just showing you guys what's out there, what's available to you. If you want to go an alternative route, that's your choice. I would never tell you what to do with your own money. The prices of these joints are on the screen right now. StockX and GOAT. If you want to pay for these joints and get a resale price, by all means, here are the prices. But me, I got the UA joints. Plus, I wanted to see, what this was about. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Let me know what you think about UAs, retail, whatever. Let me know. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and also follow me over on that TikTok. If you guys are familiar with me so far, I have done a performance review on the Kobe Grinches. Make sure you guys go check that out. It's very informative. It tells you how these shoes feel on the court. So I did a little performance just to show y'all what it's like. They held up very, very well. So just like the retail, in my opinion. All right, this is the Kobe 6 Prelude. This shoe was, it's got a bunch of sharks and palm trees on it. It's supposed to like resemble the Venice, California scene. That's kind of what they went with this. With the design of this shoe, you still got the scales and all of that stuff on it, just like the Grinches, just like all the other Kobe 6s, that Mamba scales. It's just kind of playing off of that. That's what they went with for this one. So pretty dope. I love the colors, love the theme of it. Very, very nice. It came with this nice card right here. They sent this in the box with the shoes. So very, very dope. On the back of the card, it just shows the shoe, and then it has like some Chinese lettering here. Oh, here we go. 1 of 11. I'm not sure what that means, but all I know is that this was one of, I think it was like 8 different shoes. This was like one of the 8 shoes. So very, very nice. I would suggest you guys check this out. Check out the history. It's a part of that Kobe legacy. All right. So very dope. So let's just break the shoe down real quick. Nothing too crazy to really talk about. It is basically the same thing as the Kobe Grinch. Nothing too different. You still got your scales on here. You got these nice blue laces. And then you have this nice green. This is like an olive green almost, or like a sea green. And you got your Mamba symbol there. You got that nice peach sock liner right there. Very dope. Insole of the shoe has like that ASMVP right there. All-Star MVP, that's what that stands for. The 6 for Kobe. This is the Kobe 6. You still got that protective cup right here in the back. Signature right there on the back, on the heel as well. And then the outsole of the shoe is a gum bottom. And you got that nice Mamba symbol right there with the carbon fiber coming through. I think the main thing that drew me into this shoe was the design on the upper. This design is so dope. And the card that comes with it, this is the design that's on the shoe. As you guys can see right there, like this is the design right here, and it's all over the upper of the shoe. So I thought that was super slick. Very, very nice. And I just like it. I just like how it's just something different. You got like your palm tree stuff back here. You got like a planet going into like a hoop or whatever. Like I think that Saturn there. You got a crab right there with a beach ball. Got the shark, got the starfish right there. There's a surfboard with a bite in it. That looks like a lure maybe right there or something. So very, very dope. I like the way that looks. It looks like maybe some sushi or something. Like there's a lemon. I just love it. I love this design of the shoe. There you go. You got an octopus going through here, and then like just a nice yellow, or almost like the Grinch color, but like it's just like a nice yellow Nike swoosh. Super dope. I love it. I just love this design. I think that this shoe right here, I'm just gonna like sport this shoe. I'm not gonna do any type of performance reviews or anything like that because I've already done it. I've already been there. I've already touched that. I'm not doing that again. This is a shoe that I would just rock. Like I would just wear this one. You know what I'm saying? Very lightweight shoe. It's got an airbag in it. Same stuff. Very, very soft cushioning. Usually in basketball sneakers, I like to go a size up or a half a size up. I wear a 10.5. I went to an 11 just because I like the space in my shoe. I like for my feet not to be bunched up at the top. So usually basketball shoes are very tight on your feet, but this one is very stretchy. This material is a stretchy material, as you guys can see. Like I can stretch that material out. It's not like your other typical basketball sneakers that are very, very tight. tight and hug your foot. I really, really like this shoe. This is a dope addition to the collection, and I would advise you guys go check it out. You know, if you are on Instagram, go check out Lisa. She's got some very good products over there. All right, so if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10 as far as the colorway and the design, I'm gonna give it a 9.5 because I just love the way it looks. There's nothing about the shoe that I don't like. In terms of construction of materials, it fits the way it's supposed to fit, and it feels just like the Grinches that I have. So I'm going to go with, you know, a 9 or 8.5, 9, somewhere in that range. I think that the shoe feels very, very nice. It feels good on your feet. You know, you can walk around in it probably all day if you wanted to. So very, very dope shoe. I want to jump into this on foot, guys. So I'm glad you guys stuck around. I hope this review was informative for you. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Enjoy this on foot. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. What up, y'all? It's your boy General. I'm back. Glad to see y'all. Yo, this one right here from Lisa, super, super dope. What more can I say? It's a Kobe Preludes, just overall fire shoe. Love the design. Thank you, Lisa, for sending this over to me. I'm gonna get that quick on foot, and then we're gonna keep it pushing, all right? Y'all, what's going on? It's General. I'm back again. Something else to learn. I like doing this with y'all. What is CPR? Nobody knows what CPR stands for. I get a lot of people asking me, well, they know what CPR is, but they don't know what it stands for. CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. What does that mean? Cardio means heart, pulmonary means lungs, resuscitation, you're bringing it back. You're trying to restart it. You're trying to restart the program, reset the computer. CPR is usually started on a person that's unconscious, not breathing, heart stopped, things of that nature. But there's steps to that, and I'm not going to go into that because that involves a training, which you guys can go locally. You guys can make phone calls and figure out in your city or wherever you live how to perform CPR. There's a whole certification that goes with CPR. But the main thing you need to understand is CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. What that means is you're going to perfuse the body with fresh oxygenated blood because the body can't do it. The person that is unconscious or unable to do it themselves, their body's not working properly, right? Which means they need a little help from someone else. That means that you or the person certified to do CPR is going to be the person that's going to be providing the affected individual's body with fresh blood and oxygen until they can be revived or quote unquote resuscitated. So that's what CPR is in a nutshell. You can always go online, you can always look up classes, you can always take classes to figure out how to do it. Look it up on YouTube. There's people actually doing CPR or performing it in some way, showing people what it looks like. I'm sure some people have seen it, but a lot of people don't know. So go ahead and look that up. And I encourage everybody to take a course because you might be able to save a life. I'll see you on the next one.